In the north-central part of India resides the state of Haryana. After the 6-week-long Lok Sabha elections 2024, Haryana is all geared up for the Legislative Assembly elections. Polls are scheduled on 5th October to elect all 90 members of the Haryana Legislative Assembly. The votes will be counted and the results will be declared on 8th October. In Haryana, the BJP, which had won all 10 seats in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, finished with just 5 in 2024. The Congress bagged 5 of the 10 seats. In the 2019 assembly polls, the BJP emerged as the single largest party and formed the government in a post-poll alliance with the Jan Nayak Janata Party and 7 independent MLAs in Haryana. BJP leader Manohar Lal Khattar and JJP President Dushyant Chautala were sworn in as Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister respectively of the BJP-LJP alliance government. This time, leaders of the Congress party confidently assert that they will reclaim power from the ruling BJP. In this hope, bigwigs of the party have hit the roads of Haryana to campaign in full swing. One of the star campaigners and former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, is actively canvassing the streets for his party's candidates. His presence aims to energize the party's base and regain lost ground. Bhupinder Singh Hooda was born on 15 September 1947 to Chaudhary Ranbir Singh Hooda and Hardevi at the Sanghi village in Rohtak district of Haryana. His father was a renowned freedom fighter. He is an alumnus of Sainik School, Balachari, Jamnagar in Gujarat. He did his BA from Punjab University, Chandigarh, after which he pursued law from the prestigious Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. He started his political career at Youth Congress. Hooda was elected as a Member of Parliament from the Rohtak Lok Sabha constituency for 4 terms in 1991, 1996, 1998 and 2004. He also remained the leader of the opposition in the Haryana Legislative Assembly from 2001 to 2004. Then he served as the Chief Minister of Haryana from 2005 to 2014. When he began a second term in October 2009 after leading the Congress to an election victory, it was the first time since 1972 that a Haryana electorate returned a ruling party back to power. Hooda is a prominent figure among the Jat community and has been instrumental in shaping policies that address the concerns of farmers and marginalized groups. Despite challenges and competition from regional parties like the Jan Nayak Janata Party and the ruling BJP, Hooda continues to be a key player, influencing the political discourse and advocating for social justice and development in Haryana. In today's episode of The Road Stop, we hit the roads of Panipat with Bhupinder Singh Hooda. The bustling streets of Panipat are abuzz with energy as Bhupinder Singh Hooda makes his way through the crowd. Locals greet him with cheers and applause, waving flags and chanting slogans for a Congress victory. Hooda takes to the stage as people eagerly wait to listen to their leader.
As you can see, former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, has been campaigning very aggressively in Haryana, as only last few days have been left for campaigning, and he's addressing around 5 to 6 public meetings in a day. He's traveling across the state to campaign for several of the party candidates across the state, and he's seeking votes for the candidates of Congress, and he's urging the people, highlighting the promises and the guarantees that the Congress has made to the people of Haryana, especially the 7 guarantees, which includes for women, that includes for farmers, that includes for youths and everyone. So you can see Congress leader Bhupinder Singh Hooda, who is along with the party's candidate Varinder Shah over here in Panipat city, and he is now concluding this public meeting over here in Panipat's Rajiv Colony, and here you can see the sea of crowd, sea of supporters who have gathered over here to greet and to show their support, to extend their support to Bhupinder Singh Hooda. तो अभी हम इस वक्त मौजूद हैं पानीपत के राजीव कॉलोनी में और हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए यहाँ मौजूद हैं यहाँ के स्थानीय निवासी और हम जानेंगे कि आखिर क्या मुद्दे इनके। भाई साहब आपका नाम?
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। दास भाई चरणजीत सिंह, गुरुद्वारा यादगार श्री गुरु अर्जन देव जी राजीव कॉलोनी गली नंबर 4 जो दास सेवादार है गुरु घर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ जो इस गुरु घर ਦੇ जो बाहर सड़कां ਹਨ ਨਾਲੀਆਂ ਹਨ ਇਹਦੇ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਬੜੇ ਬੱਤਰ ਹਨ। कई बारी बीजेपी सरकार श्री प्रमोद विज जी कोल मैं आप खुद चल के 2-3 बारी उत्थे गया। जो उत्थे चल के उन्होंने बेनती की कि गुरुद्वारा साहब जो भावें मंदिर है भावें राजीव कॉलोनी दे बहुत बदतर हाल है गलियां दे। असी ये बेनती की गुरुद्वारे जो सड़क है गलियां ने इंटरलोक सड़कां जिहड़ियां इट्टां होंदियां ने रंगीन अते उस तो बाद जिहड़ियां गलियां ने वो चंगी तरह गुरुद्वारा साहब दीयां जिन्नी भी बाउंड्री है वो सारी ढक दी जाए। ये असी प्रशासन को बड़ी वजह के बेनती लैटर पत्र लिख दिते हैं। मेयर साहब जी को भी अवनीत कौर जी को भी चल के गए, साडे अरजीत सिंह जी प्रधान साहब साडे नाल हैं, वो भी साडे नाल कंधे नाल कंधा मिला के साडे नाल उन्होंने लैटर पत्र लिखे।
आपने चिट्ठियां लिखी थी गुरुद्वारे के पास जो गंदा नाला है उसका पानी के निकासी के लिए, तो क्या एक्शन हुआ है अभी तक?
एक तो गंदा नाला तो है ही है, दूसरा जो पानी पीने का जी वो कई साल हो गए वो वैसे की वैसे समस्या रहा है अपना। जैसे सुबह मोटर का बटन दबाते हैं तो गंदा पानी पहले गंदे पानी के दर्शन होंगे। बिल्कुल जो नाली में है ना वही मतलब पानी हम क्या क्या थक गए हैं, इसका कोई समाधान नहीं हुआ आज तक। पहले तो पानी पीने का जो होना चाहिए ना उसका समाधान हो, उसके बाद फिर जो अपना जो नाली है जहाँ सड़कें जो रह रही है। अब हमने सारे ये मतलब सारे राजीव कॉलोनी चावला कॉलोनी सारे हमने लगाया चक्कर राउंड लगाया तो सारे मतलब कह रहे देखो जी ये सड़कों क्या जो सड़कें पाट रखी इन्होंने, कोई उनकी सुनाई नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं। तो अभी लाइटें भी काफ़ी जो है बंद पड़ी है। कृपा हम यही कह रहे हैं अभी चाहे तो ये कर दे, नहीं तो फिर आने वाली सरकार तो फिर बुल्ले शाह जी कांग्रेस की सरकार होगी, बस फिर वो करवाएंगे। शाह जी तो अपने घर जैसी बात है, बस उन पे हमारे को बहुत मान है उन पे शाह जी।
ठीक है, तो ये थे पानीपत के स्थानीय निवासी खास तौर पे राजीव कॉलोनी से जिन्होंने अपनी समस्याएं खुलकर सामने रखी।
His next pit stop is Rohtak, an hour-and-a-half drive from Panipat. Workers and supporters are already gathered at the leader's residence waiting for him to arrive. Many are sitting with bouquets of flowers ready to present them as a token of their admiration and support.
Currently, we are at the residence of former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda, who is contesting from one of the seats of Garhi Sampla Kiloi. And as you can see at the residence of Mr. Bhupinder Singh Hooda, that how hundreds of his supporters have gathered over here as Hooda ji is yet to kick off his campaign for the day. With only few days left, we will show you the campaign trail of Bhupinder Singh Hooda, who is campaigning for most of the party candidates across the state, and he is addressing over 5 to 6 public meetings every day, and he is also canvassing for the party in several parts of the states and urging the voters and appealing the voters to vote for the Congress so that the Congress wrest power from the BJP in the 2024 crucial Haryana Assembly elections.
We get a chance to speak to Bhupinder Hooda.
Sir, Prime Minister came to प्रधानमंत्री का लाया नरेंद्र मोदी हरियाणा में। उन्होंने कहा कि कांग्रेस में काफ़ी सीएम के उम्मीदवार हैं, तो कैसे आप देखते हैं उनके इस बयान को?
नहीं ठीक है, ज़्यादा उम्मीदवार होना पार्टी की शक्ति है। बीजेपी में भी बहुत है, लेकिन बीजेपी वाले तो घर में ही बैठे हैं।
और सर मेरा आखिरी सवाल है आपसे, लगातार बातें कही जा रही हैं कि हरियाणा में वो आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि इस तरह का कोई वेव नहीं है कांग्रेस का, और राहुल जी के बयान को भी वो कह रहे हैं कि जो अयोध्या पे उन्होंने दिया कि नाच गाना हो रहा था अयोध्या में, बीजेपी उस पर कटाक्ष कर रही है कांग्रेस को लेकर।
हरियाणा में कांग्रेस के पक्ष में लहर चल रही है, हर जगह से आवाज़ एक ही आ रही है, कांग्रेस आ रही है, भाजपा जा रही है।
So this was former Chief Minister of Haryana, Mr. Bhupinder Singh Hooda, and as you can see, he is going to campaign in the state for his party candidates, and he will be addressing several of the public meetings over here in Haryana. And as you can see, he is going in his chopper, and he will be addressing around 5 to 6 public meetings in the state, and he will be seeking and appealing the voters over here to vote for Congress. And he said that there is a clear wave of Congress in the state in Haryana, and there is no BJP wave. And he also took a pot shot at the BJP over Prime Minister Narendra Modi's remarks, saying where he alleged that there are several CM candidates, CM aspirants in Congress, and he said that the BJP should first look at their own house before commenting on others, and they should understand that there are several of the contenders in the BJP. And he even mentioned that whatever the Prime Minister has to say, there is no truth in that, and the BJP is going to lose in the election, and the Congress will sweep in the crucial Haryana Assembly election, and it will form the government over here.
There is yet another public address lined up in Pehowa in Kurukshetra. There are hundreds gathered. The crowd erupts into cheers as they spot their leader ascend the stage. Hooda is welcomed with the customary bouquets. People are eager to take selfies with him. Some even touch his feet in a show of reverence.
As the campaigning for Haryana elections is coming to a standstill in just next few days, here you can see we are currently in Haryana's Rohtak, and former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda is now leaving to address several of the public meetings over here, and he will be campaigning for several of the party candidates. He will be appealing the voters to vote for the party. So we'll try to speak to him and then try to understand during his several of the public meetings that what are the issues and how the Congress is faring in this crucial assembly elections, as the grand old party is trying to wrest the power from the BJP, which has ruled the state for the past 10 years.
आप लगातार चुनाव में प्रचार प्रसार कर रहे हैं, माहौल किस तरह का है चुनाव?
माहौल कांग्रेस के पक्ष में लहर चल रही है। 36 बरादरी फैसला कर चुकी है, अब की बार कांग्रेस सरकार।
सर, मैनिफेस्टो आपकी पार्टी ने रिलीज किया, महिलाओं पर खास तौर पे ध्यान है, किसानों पे खास,
हर वर्ग पे महिला है, किसान है, मजदूर है, मनरेगा का भी हम बढ़ाएंगे, व्यापारी है, कानून व्यवस्था है, हर वर्ग को हमने देखा है, हर वर्ग की प्रगति करनी है, हर वर्ग को मजबूत बनाना है।
That's all on this episode of The Road Stop. Stay tuned for more only on NewsX.